Daz community. This is Not From This World, and I want to welcome you to my Tuesday Daz Studio challenge video. Now, tonight I want to do something pretty simple, but I have to be honest with you, I don't really know how to do it, and I've gotten, number one, requests to do this, and number two, suggestions from all of you to do it. So this evening's challenge to all of you experts out there is to explain how you save a copy of Daz Studio so that you can have this reserve copy when you make a new download of the current version, or how do we make a copy of Daz Studio so that we can, let's say, move it to a new hard drive. So pretty simple request this week. So if you can give me your best kind of step-by-step method of copying Daz Studio so we can save that version or to move it to a new hard drive, I'd be most grateful. It's going to help out some of the patrons that have asked me how to do this, and it's going to help me out, and I will take your suggestion and I'll make a short tutorial on how to do that after I get your suggestions. So I want to say thank you to everyone. I'm approaching 1,700 subscribers, which is awesome, but still most of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you are one of those people that haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the like button and leave me a comment on what you're doing in Daz, any questions that you might have regarding Daz Studio, and most importantly for this video, how are you making a copy of Daz to save for the future? So that's going to do it. I look forward to hearing from you, reading all of your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy rendering.